In today's digital age, technology has become an integral part of our lives. From smartphones to laptops, we are constantly surrounded by devices that make our lives easier. One of the most important tools in this digital world is a website, app, or software. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone who wants to stay organized, these tools can make a significant difference in your life. So why do we need these tools? Let's take a look at some of the reasons. First and foremost, websites, apps, and software can save us time. With just a few clicks, we can access information, complete tasks, and communicate with others. This not only saves us time, but it also makes our lives more efficient. Secondly, these tools can help us save money. Whether it's finding deals online, using software to manage finances, or creating a website for a business, these tools can help us cut costs and increase our bottom line. Thirdly, websites, apps, and software can help us learn new skills. From language learning apps to coding software, these tools can help us acquire new knowledge and develop our skills in various areas. Finally, these tools can help us improve our health and wellness. From fitness tracking apps to meditation software, these tools can help us monitor our health, stay active, and reduce stress. So, as you can see, websites, apps, and software have a wide range of benefits that can make a significant difference in our lives. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone who wants to stay organized and productive, these tools can help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the many websites, apps, and software tools available today and see how they can help you achieve your goals and live your best life. Thank you for watching. In today's digital age, technology